Hello, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with some information. Boo! It's not a trick, it is a treat. Did you know that we have paper collection size already for you at 8.5 by 11? For those of you who do not have wide format printers, they're in my shop. Paper collections already sized at 8.5 by 11. Let me show you what we have. Check it out, my friends, right here on the home page. So if you go to home page, you normally see what is new and hip and happening at Paper Phenomenon and these sale items for the week. It changes every single week. Look at all of the available options for paper collections at 8.5 by 11. Birmingham, boho nursery, all sorts of destinations. So many of you love that. Darling Fairy Tale, Celestial, so many collections available in the 8.5 by 11 size. So if you do not have a wide format printer, it may be something that you may want to check out because it is available to you. And as always, when I mention things on my website, guess what? They're 50% off. So the question of this video is, should I be the devil or should I be the cat for Halloween? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried my 8.5 by 11 paper collections. They're really fabulous. By the way, the brand new project that we're working on in my kitchen, the In My Kitchen paper collection also comes in 8.5 by 11. So check it out. I may have just pushed you right over the edge on trying digital paper collections, guys. Already sized at 8.5 by 11. Take a look. Take advantage of the 50% off this week on those collections. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.